How to remove CapCut link on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the CapCut link from your TikTok account. It's super easy, so now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the profile section. Now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after tapping on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, just tap on settings and privacy. And now here, once you are inside the settings and privacy, if you scroll down, you can see the option labeled as security and permissions. So just tap on that. And now here inside the security and permissions at the bottom, you can see the option labeled as apps and services permissions. So just tap on that. And now here inside there, you can see the CapCut option. So just tap on CapCut, and after that at the bottom you can see the button that says remove access. So just tap on it and confirm it by tapping on remove again, and that's it. Now you have successfully removed the CapCut link on TikTok. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.